What's the meaning of craft? Craft. Craft.
Craft. Craft. The term craft generally refers to skilled work that involves creating goods or objects by hand using traditional methods and techniques. Craft can include a wide range of activities, such as pottery, woodworking, weaving, and jewelry making. The result of crafting is often a unique and distinctive piece that reflects the creativity and skill of the artisan. Crafting can also have therapeutic benefits, as the process of creating something with one's hands can be meditative and calming. Overall, craft represents a celebration of human ingenuity and creativity.